My name's Phil. I've been a member at Audley Cricket Club for over 50 years. Started as a player in 1972, finished when I was 48, when the knees gave up, and always had an interest in pitch preparation and ground maintenance. So always helped previous groundsmen, and then the opportunity came, and 15 years ago I took on the role as we're still volunteer groundsmen. Audley Cricket Club, it's a village club. We have approximately 240 members, of which 80 are playing members through juniors and seniors. We play at the Kent Hills ground, which we're at now. We have a square of 15 pitches, which we maintain for all junior matches, senior matches alike. Main pre-season work is the preparation of the square, pre-season rolling, setting the square out and starting to get pitches ready for the junior sides, which are reduced length pitches, and the first senior games, which start in 2 weeks' time. Our machinery stock is ageing, and we needed to inject a bit of new blood, if you like. And as we'd operated a Allett Regal 36-inch for more than 20 years, Allett was the obvious place to visit to look at machines that were available. And the E27 was 7 inches wider than our existing square mower. It's battery, so it's environmentally friendly, less vibration, noise, no fume exposure for the operator, and it's a cartridge system that in the future we hope to raise the funds to buy scarifier, sorrel roller, verticutter, etc., which can all be interchanged easily on this machine. When we decided to look at new machinery, the club couldn't fund it solely itself, so certain members in the club looked at applying for a grant, which we went to the Derbyshire Enterprise Trust, where we successfully had a grant approved. The club had to raise a 10% deposit, in which 2 of our members donated to the club for the purchase of the mower. Since we've gone to this mower, it's very easy to operate, it's quiet, there's very little vibration coming through the hand controls, it's easy to adjust and maintain. It's got a good sized grass box, and it's a pleasure to use. At the moment we haven't got any cartridges, but we're hoping in the near future to purchase, starting with a scarifier and a sorrel roller, verticutter, and get a collection that we can all interchange. And it's an easy interchange without the use of a tool on this mower. If any other club is considering buying an electric mower, I'd thoroughly recommend it. We have 3 batteries on this machine, but it will actually run on 1. And I can cut the whole square on about 20% charge. I've got a double charger, so it's never going to be out of charge. I think being a groundsman, people don't realise the number of hours you actually commit on a daily basis, whether the weather's good, bad or indifferent. There's still jobs to do. And during the pre-season and season, myself and Dave and 1 or 2 other volunteers drop in from time to time. We're here 7 days a week, either preparing pitches, repairing pitches, or generally working on the ground to make it fit for the games that week or the weekend. The most rewarding part of being a groundsman is actually sitting on a Saturday or a Sunday or in an evening with a junior game and watching the ground used for what it should be used, which is playing cricket.